Digital libraries. Concept, need and characteristics. The rapid advancement of information and communication technology, ICT, has transformed traditional libraries into modern digital environments. One of the most significant developments in this transformation is the emergence of digital libraries, which provide access to information in electronic form. Digital libraries have revolutionized the way information is stored, accessed, and shared, making knowledge available beyond physical boundaries. Concept of digital libraries. A digital library is a collection of information resources in digital format that can be accessed electronically through computers and networks. Unlike traditional libraries, which rely on physical collections, digital libraries store information in formats such as text, images, audio, and video. Digital libraries are not merely collections of digital documents. They are organized systems that include tools for searching, retrieving, and managing information. Definition of digital libraries. A digital library can be defined as a system that provides a structured collection of digital objects, along with services to store, organize, retrieve, and disseminate information through electronic means. It integrates technology, information resources, and user services to provide efficient access to knowledge. Need for digital libraries. The need for digital libraries has increased due to several factors. One major need is the growing volume of information. Traditional libraries cannot physically accommodate the vast amount of published material, whereas digital libraries can store large quantities of data in compact formats. Another important need is remote access. Digital libraries allow users to access information from anywhere at any time, which is especially beneficial for researchers and students. Digital libraries also support resource sharing, enabling multiple users to access the same resource simultaneously. They are essential for the preservation of rare and valuable materials, as digitization protects original documents from physical damage. Furthermore, digital libraries enhance speed and efficiency in information retrieval through advanced search tools. Characteristics of digital libraries. Digital libraries have several distinctive features that differentiate them from traditional libraries. One key characteristic is that they provide electronic access to information, eliminating the need for physical presence. They are network-based, allowing users to access resources through the internet or intranet. Digital libraries support multimedia resources, including text, audio, video, and images. They offer advanced search and retrieval systems, enabling users to find information quickly and accurately. Another important feature is simultaneous access, where multiple users can use the same resource at the same time. Digital libraries are also dynamic and continuously updated, ensuring that users have access to current information. They support integration of various resources, combining different types of information into a single system. Advantages of digital libraries. Digital libraries provide numerous benefits. They save physical space, reduce the need for printed materials, and allow easy storage and management of resources. They improve accessibility and convenience, enabling users to access information anytime and anywhere. They also support efficient information retrieval, saving time and effort for users. Challenges of digital libraries. Despite their advantages, digital libraries face several challenges. They require significant investment in technology and infrastructure. Issues related to copyright, licensing, and data security are also important concerns. There is also a need for technical skills to manage digital systems, and not all users may have equal access to technology. Role in modern libraries. Digital libraries play a crucial role in modern information systems. They support education, research, and lifelong learning by providing easy access to knowledge. They also promote global information sharing and collaboration among institutions. In conclusion, digital libraries represent a major advancement in the field of library and information science. They provide efficient, flexible, and accessible means of storing and retrieving information. The concept, need, and characteristics of digital libraries highlight their importance in meeting the demands of the digital age. While challenges remain, their benefits make them an essential component of modern libraries.